guys, so it is, what's today? No, like
6th.
Today is January 6th, and it is the blizzard of 2018? 18.
The cyclone bomb.
Yeah, and I just did something really cool, which really froze me, and
Your butt.
that's gonna be in the next clip.
It froze our butt.
My butt is like ice cubes. And my legs are like frozen little hot dogs.
You did it though.
Yeah, and I literally had to take off my boots. So I put on, hold on. I can't flip up the camera when I'm on this, so hold on. And I literally
Good thing
put
I had
these
these extra
on.
socks in the car.
I'm so glad I had these, and I don't know why, but I didn't put them all the way up. But yeah, I'm so glad I had these in the car. I climbed it twice, once for my mom's video and once for mine. And it was really horrible. It was really fun because, like, obviously, but it was hard.
It's because it's so late. The sun went down.
I
It's
don't-
like freezing.
it wasn't-
We did it at noon.
It wasn't hard to climb
You
it.
always want to do things at like sundown.
It wasn't like hard to climb it because like there was like ice, and so like I just put my feet on that, and like it was kind of like climbing like a rock wall, but it was so high. It doesn't look that
TJ
high
Maxx
in the
parking
video.
lot.
Yeah, TJ Maxx parking lot. And if you guys want to go there, I made a little slide in it, so I already have a slide ready for you guys. It's really great. So yeah, look at my fingers. They're still like bright red. Oh my god. That was really
We'll
not
show them
okay.
this.
Why? Oh, that's pretty. Oh, yes. They're all professional over there. Like, they have lights and everything. Like, okay, you go, Cape Courthouse. That's right. You do that. So let's just go into the next clip, and it is very bumpy. Woo!
I'm still videoing.
I know. I can take screenshots.
It's freezing.
I'm good.
Wow.
My butt is cold. So now that you guys just saw that, we are going to Wawa so that I can get some hot chocolate. And I don't think she knows that yet, that we're going to Wawa. I can barely turn my neck in this. I should probably take this down. Ooh, make it look like I actually have hair. But no, I'm still cold. So yeah, we're gonna go to Wawa and get some hot chocolate because like my feet are still freezing. They're still freezing. Oh my god. That's cold. Okay, anyway. I'll see you guys at Wawa. Bye. So I decided that we're not gonna go to Wawa because the less I'm out there and the less that these hot dogs are cold, the better it is. So yeah, this is gonna be a boring vlog because I'm just going home and I'm putting on a pink sweatshirt which Emma gave me. Oh my god, this is not steady. Which Emma gave me, and it is so comfy. And then just some fluffy pajama pants which are so fluffy. And then fluffy socks, basically like the ones I have on, but they're pink. I'm gonna be pinky. So yeah, and I'm gonna hold my really cute flamingo. So life is good. So, and I'm gonna watch some TV, probably Victorious, because that's what I'm watching right now. So yeah. I'm sorry this is such a boring vlog. You don't have to watch it if you don't want to, but I just thought what I did in the last couple clips was kind of funny. So, and it was like way too long to share on Snapchat story, so that's basically why I'm doing this vlog. So, yeah. So now we're at McDonald's so that
Hi, can I just get a small hot chocolate? And can you make sure it's like really chocolatey? Because last time it just tasted like boiled water.
Okay.
And no whipped cream on it?
No whipped cream base at all?
That's it.
No hot chocolate, no whipped cream. 13%.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It tasted like boiled water.
Yes.
This guy is so good. Hey here. I don't know why that's funny to me. Anyway, I got my hot chocolate. It's not that good. Wawa is definitely better. It tastes like artificial chocolate. Like, no. I need the real kind. And it says it's 18 degrees. Kenna doesn't like cold. It's not like a thing. Oh god, she's taking a picture of it. What else to talk about? Oh, yeah, I forgot what else I was going to talk about. She's just taking a picture of it.
Did you turn it on me?
No. I can't even turn my head because of, this hood. So yeah, I love snow because it's a whole bunch of cotton candy.
What? What?
It's fluffy, but I wish it wasn't cold. It's so fun to be in, but I wish it wasn't cold, and it's so pretty.
Oh my god.
I just want it to be not cold and for making cute pictures. And I got these really cute gloves. They were in the pictures, and I literally only have one right now because I was
So corny.
I know. Because I was I was videoing and I had my hand out the door and I was like, no, it is cold. I am not trying to have my fingers be frostbitten. No. Yesterday I was taking that photo shoot and the pictures didn't even turn out that good.
Yes, they did.
No, they didn't. I look like someone from our school. And I'm like, oh
Stop
god,
it.
I can't.
Weird.
I can't.
You're being mean.
They look really weird. I don't even know why I posted them. I just posted them because
I love them. You look pretty.
I'm just
You
gonna
do.
sip my hot
You
chocolate.
don't look like the one you think, and
Yeah, well, I do. So yeah. And I literally was crying yesterday.
the one you think you do is pretty anyway.
After the photo shoot, I was crying because I thought that my fingers were
You
gonna
guys
fall off.
just don't look alike.
It was, oh my god, why are you still talking about that? Why are you still
Don't be
yamming?
mean.
Oh, it's okay. Read my Finsta bio. Anyway, I was literally crying because I thought my fingers were gonna fall off. Because it was so freaking freezing. They were throbbing.
They sting.
It's not stinging,
It's like a
honey.
sting.
No, it's a throb. It's a boom, boom, boom. It's
But
horrible.
It stinging too.
I was like, oh my god, I need to remember this date because it was the worst day of my life.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If that's your worst day, that's good. I think you've had worse days.
The time I went to Dorney Park and I didn't eat anything all day. That was horrible.
Get a picture of this. Shoot, but people are coming, so I can't. Because people are always coming in my way.
Because it's a road. Oh my god, we're slipping. No.
Because the person behind me is rushing me, and I want to get a picture of it.
Because friend behind you.
Sidewalk tunnel.
This girl is so weird. Okay, I'm black.
Me?
No.
Oh
My hot chocolate almost just fell.
my gosh, that would burn you.
No, it won't. It's barely even hot. Because it's McDonald's and it's really ghetto.
Oh, they came down this road and they turned
Oh my god. Come on, Middle Township. Clear snow people. You need to do better on these freaking roads because it's too bumpy.
No, it's good. I love it.
Yeah, uh-huh.
It's like bad.
Tell me more about that story.
Oh, I love it.
My mom's a boy. Did you know that? Vroom, vroom.
I don't have a penis.
Like the carrot. Oh my god. In the pictures yesterday, my jeans were all ruffled up. I can't. And it looked like I had a little penis.
It did not. Everybody knows.
It
It's
did.
just the jeans.
It did. It looked like I had like a little carrot in there.
We had a frozen hot dog.
Frozen hot dog. Okay, it's too bumpy. I'm gonna be giving people a headache.
Oh, I don't
Well,
want to get caught in this.
This is probably gonna be the end of the vlog because like I'm not doing anything else today.
I need to get a picture of that little sidewalk tunnel.
Stop with the damn sidewalk tile.
Sidewalk tunnel.
Sidewalk tunnel.
I can't see around, and that's not very safe.
Why is it? Because my big head in the way.
Uh-uh.
Okay,
big
well,
pile of
I think this is
snow.
gonna be the end of the vlog. But then again, you never know. So,
You
Like,
never know.
you never know. So, like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. And follow my social media in the description below. And if I'm too lazy to put all the social media in the description below, just go to my other videos and you'll see it there. So, yeah. Bye! Maybe this is in the way and giving me a glare. Bye! So, it is not the end of the vlog yet because, actually, it might be because we're not doing anything else. So, I'm just laying in a whole bunch of Christmas stuff. And this is Penny.
Your image. Wow, you're sparkly.
This is Penny. She's really cute. She's got a tutu. She should have a tiara though, like right there. Could you imagine that? A tiara right there. That would be so cute. Oh my god. I need to make my own stuffed animals. They would be so cute. Anyway, we're gonna change the episode. Oh. Why did the sparkle just fall? We're gonna change the episode of A&E for the first one. I don't know yet because I haven't told Emma that yet. I haven't asked her if she wanted to do that yet, but yeah, I want to because the first episode that we made together wasn't very as good as it should be. So, yeah. Just laying in a tree. This is what I see when I look up.
You pointed it at me.
No, I didn't. Anyway, this is the end of the vlog now because I'm just wearing these clothes and I don't plan on going out again because I'm wearing these clothes. So, yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!